guys, good morning. We are up for a Sunday ride. I'm riding to Nandi Hills today. Believe it or not, this is my second attempt to record. I was out yesterday and didn't do a good job with the recording, so today I have set a few settings and I'm on my way to Nandi Hills. It's 6:50 in the morning. It's a really cold, chilly weather. As you can see, there's a lot of fog, but nothing can stop me. Just kidding, but yeah. Lots of traffic for 7 on a Sunday. But let's see. Ooh, it's cold. So, some of you don't know about Bangalore if you are watching not from Bangalore. Nandi Hills is the most commonly visited place that anybody can go to. When we were kids, that was a while back because I'm old now. But yeah, if we have nothing to do, we just go to Nandi Hills. There's nothing there, it's just a mountain. But the drive there is amazing. At least for us old Bangaloreans, it is amazing. I stay close by, you could say, but not so close. It's like a 60 odd kilometers from my house. So it's gonna be a fun ride. Hoping there is not a lot of traffic built up yet and we can cut through it. Actually, there's a lot of traffic compared to yesterday. Saturday was light because Fridays people drink. They were like, oh god, what a week, let's drink, let's get a drink. Now everybody's passed out, hungover. Sunday they're like, oh, we have a life, we have to enjoy. Let's do things that doesn't involve drinking. Like, let's go to Nandi Hills. So everybody's going there now. Just wanna cut in before the cars would be let in so I can do a nice hill climb. It's like a ritual for me every Sunday. Try to do a hill climb. Actually, for the last 1 year, I've been doing that every Sunday, except 1 month in between when I was traveling. So yeah, I didn't introduce myself. You can call me Deep. My actual name is Diptarka. It's a pretty long name, so call me Deep. Yeah, I am a ad filmmaker. I want to say filmmaker, but nobody's given me enough money to make my own film. Or I don't have enough money, or I'm not wealthy from generations. So yeah, I'm an ad filmmaker. I like making ads, you know. So yeah, and I've been passionate about riding for a very long time. I started off when I was in 11th or 12th, 11th, yeah. My first bike was a Hero Honda Splendor, and when I was a little older, my parents, oh nice, KTM 200 RC, good looking bike. Hopefully a good rider, not one of those squids. Yeah, so my father got me a TVS Victor GLX, and that's how I started. Really cool bike, 125 cc's, I guess 125 cc's, a blue and a silver shade. Had lots of fun with it. And then I had a classic 350 for a while. Yeah, that was good. Then I had a CB400 Honda, my most favorite bike. Loved it to death. I still do love it. And yeah, and I have a Z900 now. And I saw a lot of people do vlogs, and I wanted to do it because anyways I ride all the time, so I would want to record it, at least for my wife who can't, for the love of God, sit behind me on this bike. Because Z900's backseat is a brick. And even though she has the whole, gears and everything, she doesn't. I thought we could ride and show other people, inspire other people to get bikes. Because bikes are damn cool, man. Don't ride rash. But yeah. I had different opinion about people who talk to themselves. But now it's called vlogging, so that's cool. I thought it was signs of your world crumbling down when you start talking to yourself. But no, you can make money, so here I am. Who needs a therapist when you've got a camera and a mic, right? So yeah, you guys are my therapists, and this is my therapy. So much fun. Ooh, I see new lines that's been drawn. It's a cop, so be careful with him. Don't see my number. Lots of cyclists on this road, even though I don't recommend it, because it's not you the cyclists, it's the cars that I'm scared for. They are not very good riders or drivers on this road, so I don't know. I see, what is that? Oh, that's a new Z900. That's a 6R. Nice. See a lot of bikers in Bangalore. It's a good culture that we have here. Even though I don't ride in any groups, but I like looking at other bikes on the road. Because I know there are crazy, quirky, mad people like me who slog their ass off the whole week just to hit the roads over the weekend. Everybody's going somewhere. I hope it's not Nandi Hills, because then it will be really sad. Not really, I'll be ahead of them anyways. Enjoy that sun. Yeah, beautiful sun coming up. This is actually our my first break point generally. Let's stop for chai sutta here, but not tonight. I'm gonna speed by this place. Like that. See the sun. So many overbridges blocking my view. It's cold. It's cold. There you go. The sun coming up. Beautiful. Love it. Look at that fog. Kora hi kora hai. Crazy fog. Well, welcome to Karnataka. We have beautiful weather. Always fog, sun. know why there are stupid autos on this highway. This is a national highway. I mean, this is a freaking national highway. I want to monetize videos. I don't want YouTube to not. I want to make money. So yeah, freaking highways and autos. Why? I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it. Yeah. Ooh, signals open. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful. The sun is coming up. I wanted to come up a little faster so the cold reduces. Ooh, it's freezing. It's freezing. And I didn't wear anything. I am wearing like my riding gear. What do you mean by I don't wear anything? I did wear something. I wore clothes, but I'm just wearing my t-shirt and not my thermals. Oh god, it's cold. Ripping through the traffic, but I forgot how cold it was. So I'm reducing speed because this cold feels like daggers hitting your skin. Surya ji, please come up faster. Faster, please, faster. Doggish, bye. Hi, Doggish. Ben. Ooh, smoky, smoky. Oh, this will be a really cool thing to go through in the video. Okay, I see Duke 290, a Dominator guy going on a tour, and this is where the speed a little bit. Damn, son! The guy just met up with an accident. Okay, sun is up. Good for me. World's best breakfast joint, Nandi Upachar. Coming here for like 20 years now. Best coffee, best dosa, best everything. We are in the Nandi village, but there's hardly any village, as you can see. There's plotted development on your right, plotted development on your left. We humans, we don't like greenery, do we? We encroach everything. And I'm a contributor as well. I can't say like, hey, I didn't do it. I did it as well. I bought an apartment in the city, which used to be lakes and freaking greenery. So yeah, I guess that's the price you pay for development. But yeah, you know, we used to come here as kids about 15 years ago when we were in college. We did like, there was nothing here. There were like literally nothing. There were this greenery, farmlands, mountains, I mean hills, not mountains. We call it tilas, you know, in Hindi or in Bengali, but yeah. And these all were lakes. And this, there were like by line there were dhabas that people came to eat at. Let's just go with eating. But yeah, we used to come, you know, triples, me and my friends back in the day, on my TVS Victor GLX. It was a fun time. is to come to this dhaba, spend the whole day there eating, nothing else, and go back. Take a swim in the lake once in a while. This one time it was just mud. We didn't know that, how deep it is. We jumped and got stuck in the mud. Stupid things 18-year-olds do. So let's talk about bike a little. It's a Z900 2021 bone stock. I really like other bikes with cool silencers like Arrow or SC Project or Akrapovic. I really can't afford police tickets. I'm literally on a thread here. So I really love the sound of those bikes, but I like to travel with my bike a lot. It's just not Sunday rides that I intend to do with this bike. I want to do tours like Coorg and stuff. So when you're crossing state borders, it's better you keep your bike stock so that if there are any regulations, you don't get caught and slapped with a huge fine in a place where you might not know any people, right? So yeah, that's why my bike is stock. Yeah, we superbikers like to rev a lot. It's fun for us. We like to let people know, hey, we are coming. We are here. We are all seeking validation, guys. That's the truth. We want people to look at us because I spent so much money and effort and time on this bike. We just want good smiley looking faces. Hey, it's a nice bike. That's all. That's all we care about. Ooh, so foggy. Okay, gonna slow down here. I don't know whether you guys can see it, but the majestic Nandi Hills is right in front of us. But there's a lot of fog, so I'm not sure. But it's the majestic Nandi Hills. The wonder that keeps pulling us bikers back every Sunday. The topographical, shiftological, beauty, magnificent Nandi Hills. Yeah, I should not glorify this place anymore because there's already so many people coming here every weekend. I want them to not come so that the bikers can have the hill to themselves. But the majestic Nandi Hills is in front of us. Yeah, I'm a little funny. I like to believe so. But yeah. Ooh. Love that Electra. There you go. Saw people rev my engine because validation. Oh, the sun is up. That's me. That's my shadow. I look beautiful in my shadow because in real life I look pretty average actually. So I wouldn't say ugly, but pretty average, yeah. I'm actually better than average, just so you know, guys. Wow, that was my first counseling therapy session right there. How cool. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. We turn right now towards the hill. It's gonna be beautiful. Hope there's no traffic. I see a f***ing bus. Hopefully that's the only traffic. Please God. Let's do this. For the next few minutes I'll just shut up because I wanted to enjoy the engine noise and the hills. sometimes you gotta take the stupid people out of the road as well. Beautiful sun. Yeah. Lovely. Lovely. What a view, right? And we are here. This is the magnificent, the beautiful, and somebody's broken down here. Wow. Nandi Hills, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, Nandi Hills. And that's all we do. We just climb, we sit, and we stop for like a minute just to rest our wrists, and we're off. Just people. And just people. Okay, so that's it. Have a good day, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching.